or welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about white shirt styling. I'm specifically styling this particular white shirt in different ways with different pants, different shoes, and different ways of putting on the collar and different ways of tying the sleeves and stuff. I tried a lot of different ways, a lot of new ideas. So before any further ado, let's get into the video. So our first pair is a pair with boyfriend jeans. We all know boyfriend jeans are really comfortable. I can't stress it enough how comfortable these jeans are. Boyfriend jeans, mom jeans, you can try it on with either of them. Just pair it with a nice pair of boots or stilettos. Stilettos will look amazing as well. Tuck in your white shirt very nicely. Pair it with a nice pair of earrings. Like here I've paired it with a buttons of golden color and it looks amazing. Very simple, very sophisticated. Wear a pair of belt and add a bag to your whole outfit and you're good to go. Don't forget that whatever you do, carry it with confidence. So for our second style, I just paired it with a nice pair of shorts. I first thing I'm going to do is I am going to insert my collar right inside the thing. One thing you will want to keep in mind is that you do not want any kind of lumps. It will not look nice if they are not even and they are not properly set inside. So make sure the inside collars are really straight. Tie your front buttons together. Just remove 3 buttons and tie a knot in the front. Pair it with a nice pair of white sneakers and you are good to go. Here I also paired it with a nice pair of belt, and I do not have broader belts, but if you can wear a broader belt, preferably black or white, then it will look amazing. Also, do not forget a pair of sling bags will add to your look and make you look amazing. So for our third style, I paired a white shirt with the red palazzos. I have had these palazzos since forever and I did not know how to style it. I finally found a really great look with it. Tuck in your white shirt as usual and pair it with a very nice pair of heels. Pointy heels are preferable because palazzos look amazing when you wear pointy heels. Flats also do not look bad, so if you are a flats person, go ahead and wear that flats. Do not forget, whatever you wear it with confidence. Open up the first 2-3 buttons of your shirt and make a wide neck just like I did. Pair it with a nice pair of necklace so that there's a little bit of distraction over there. A nicely tied up outfit. Tie it on all together with a nice pair of black clutch like I did here. It's a plain black. I got it from Shein and it just looks amazing. For our fourth look, we have a basic office look. Basic blue color striped pants and a white shirt. Here what I'm doing different is I paired it with a very nice pair of Indian earrings. Although the outfit is not looking nice right now, but you will see that the outfit will clearly change once you tuck in your white shirt. Tucking in the white shirt is one of the basic things that I've learned over time. Wear it with a nice pair of boots. Here I paired it with a nude pair of boots. I buttoned my shirt up completely to give it a more professional look. If you're preferring a open button, you can go for that too. Both will look equally good. Pair it with a nice pair of blazers and look how nice and put together the outfit looks. Here I'm carrying a statement purse so that whenever you step into the office, people know you're the boss. Also, do not forget a middle partition will do all the difference. So for the last but not the least, I styled it with a very nice flared black skirt. It's kind of a printed skirt, so any skirt actually will do just fine. White shirt and a skirt looks amazing, more beautiful than you can think of. Pair it with a very nice pair of heels and tuck in those collars so that you get a more plain surface to work on. Here I used two beautiful silver silver necklaces. One is a choker and another one is a very long one. Go layer those silver necklaces as much as you want. Be bold, do not be scared to layer silver necklaces. More the layers, much better it looks. But at the same time, do not overcrowd it. I paired it with a very nice pair of bracelet. It's just a necklace. I just add another bag and you're good to go. It'll look beautiful and carry it with confidence. That was it for our video. I know the video came out really nice and hope you all like it too. If you did, go hit that like button and share it with all your contacts. Share it on Instagram and tag me on my Instagram. You can see my Instagram ID on your screen and also in the description box below. If you already haven't subscribed to the channel, go subscribe right now and hit that bell notification so that you do not miss any more videos. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.